How honey will help your cough. Honey is a natural remedy that has been used for coughs and other ailments for centuries. However, before I talk about the benefits of honey for a cough, I want to talk briefly about why we cough. Why we cough. Coughing is a reflex action that clears your throat of irritants and mucus. A cough can be acute, subacute, or chronic. An acute cough usually lasts 3 weeks or less, with significant improvement within 2 weeks. A subacute cough lasts 3 to 8 weeks and it improves significantly at the end of that time. A chronic cough lasts more than 8 weeks. Contact your healthcare provider if you cough up blood or have a barking cough. Common causes of a cough include allergies, bacteria, viruses, asthma, and smoking. Why honey is good for a cough. Studies consistently show that honey is just as effective for soothing a cough as over-the-counter cough syrups. So, how does honey work to soothe a cough? Well, it appears that the thick, gooey goodness coats the throat and temporarily suppresses a cough. Honey also has antibacterial properties which can stop the growth of certain bacteria. How to use honey for coughs. The great thing about honey is that it is readily available. Try 1 teaspoon every few hours. Caution: do not give honey to children under 1 year because it may cause infant botulism due to the immature immune and digestive systems. Drinking warm water or herbal tea with honey is great for coughs and sore throats. I like to drink hot lemon water and ginger tea with honey when I have a cough. Try local honey. Bees make honey from the local plants in your area, which may reduce the symptoms of seasonal allergies. So, pick up some local honey on your next trip to the farmer's market.